Here you go, buddy. Chow down. How can you eat this stuff? Dude, it's free. That is way past its expiration date. What's the worst thing that could happen? Brisket? Brisket, speak to me. What a baby. Ooh. You think you're pretty funny, huh? Herman. Tricking your best friend? You should be ashamed. Oh, I am not falling for that one again. Hey, Herman. Is Brisket okay? Yeah, he's fine. Are you sure? It's just one of his stupid pranks. I think maybe you should call a doctor. Pilu, you are so gullible. I'm serious. Watch this. Hey, Brisket, wake up! Pilu is here and we totally tricked him! I don't think that... Brisket! Get up, you blob! Herman, Oh, silly Pilu, I was only joking! Woo-hoo! See? I just feel like this is all my fault. I think it is your fault. Well, you don't have to say it like that. Oh, Brisket, I'm so sorry I didn't believe you. I'll never make that mistake again. Hey, you guys got any food?